So here we have a solar pathway light set. This is a 6-pack outdoor waterproof solar garden lights. It has auto on off 10/25 lumen solar LED outdoor lights. It is a warm white light. It's great lights for your yard and pathways. Fully charged is 1.2 volt AA rechargeable battery included. Only needs 4 to 6 hours to charge in the day. Then converts the sunlight into electricity and keeps the energy saving bulbs working, which conserves battery life for continuous nighttime illumination for almost 8 to 10 hours. It turns on at dusk and turns off at dawn. And the great part is you don't have to run wires underground or anything complicated like that. You have 2 working modes for you to choose from. You have a low and a high mode, providing a unique lighting atmosphere around your house. For those long winter nights, you keep it on the low light mode and it will give you a lasting illumination for up to 12 hours till dawn. The body is designed to be rust resistant, anti-corrosion material, and the quality is good. No worries about rain, snow, frost, or sleet. Super easy to assemble. All I needed was a little hammer to pat down and get it set into the ground, the spike, and everything was just plug and play. Give your house a nice upgrade for safety and beauty with this 6-pack solar power light set.